A very good morning, children. I hope you are all fine at your home. Already we have started our new lesson now. What is the lesson name? The animal world. Please refer the textbook page number 22 and 23. So, in the previous class, we have learned about birds and insects. Let's recall it once again. Most birds can fly. Some birds cannot fly. Ostrich and the emu cannot fly. Which birds cannot fly? The ostrich and the emu cannot fly. They can walk and run. How many wings do birds have? Birds have 2 wings, and with the help of them, birds fly. Birds have 2 wings. Wings help them to fly. How many legs do birds have? 2. Birds have 2 legs, and legs help them to walk. Some birds like ducks and swans can swim. Where do they swim? They swim in water. Which birds? Ducks and swans. Next, insects. Insects are small creatures. The size of the insects will be small. They have 6 legs. They have 6 legs. In the picture, you can see the different types of insects and count the legs. How many legs do they have? 6. Some insects have wings. Wings help them to fly. Butterfly, housefly, they have wings. Wings help them to fly. Today we are going to learn about other animals. Where do animals live? Where do animals live? Some animals live on land, and we call them as land animals. And some animals live in water. And some animals live on trees. So, in the picture, you can see 3 animals. What are those? Buffalo, tiger, and cat. These are some animals which live on land. The other examples are cow, horse, elephant. Where do they live? They live on land. Some animals live in water. Some animals live near water. They live near water. First picture is dolphin. The next one is crab. And the next one is starfish. Starfish live in water. Crab live near water. Okay. The other examples of animals which live in water or near water are fish, frog, turtle and crocodile. Okay. Most birds, insects and animals live on trees. Most birds, insects and animals live on trees. What is the first picture? It is a panda. Panda is an animal, no? Where it will live? It will live on tree. The second picture is parakeet. Parakeet is a bird. It will live on trees. Crow. Crow is also a bird. Where it will live? It will live on tree. Other examples are squirrel, monkey, tree lizard. These animals will live on trees. So, take out the textbook page number 23. In that, there are 3 missing letters and name 3 land animals. Okay. The homework for today is write those 3 missing letters. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss about another new topic. Thank you.